good.
Say.
Alright. Cooking an egg on a shovel. Doing forge in the steel's mount. Alright, here we go. Where's your egg, biatch? Yeah. Cook, baby, cook. Redneck cuisine. Yum. Oh, yeah. Fry, baby, fry. Oh, I love hot embryo. I want your ovaries toasty. Look at that.
Let's go for a little while here.
Teddy. Oh, yeah. The fire again. Over the fire. Over the fire in Mordor.
Oh my God!
Satan's embryos. Smoke. Yeah. Smoke. I think you got, dude. I think you got a dual embryo in that thing too. It's twins. That bitch was twins, man. I love twins. I eat myself some twins, baby. Let's flip it.
What, Graham?
Yeah.
I'm fat. I eat meat.
I'm fat. I eat embryos. Uh-oh, here we go.
Hold on.
Spotlight's going to be on you in a second. Are you ready for the spotlight? Almost. Fuck you, Epic Meal Time. You ain't shit. I cook my shit with a shovel. On fire. A shovel. That's right. We listen to metal while we eat eggs.
It's done. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, eat that shit, bitch.
Done.
Come on.
Eat that motherfucker.
Satan's omelet in your mouth.
It's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot, dude. I wouldn't eat that yet.
You gotta wait till it cools off.
Yeah.
Get some more.
You want to smelt it?
It's gonna burn your fucking mouth. You're gonna have big fat lips.
Don't put that shit back on there. Alright, you just ruined it for YouTube by saying that, by the way.
What?
Nigger lips.
We can still post it.
We'll have to edit that out. Oh, that smells good. That shit smells good.
Eat the meal.
He said yum. He said yum. Yum. Dead babies in my mouth. Yeah. Look at the steam.